Make American oceans wave great again. 35. We see how President Trump wants really to make America great again. How about start with the waves we have in Peru? Chicama, 2-kilometer long wave protected by the government. They are making a list of all the waves in Peru before USA. Yes, indeed, before USA is the first protected wave in this planet. And they're making a register by the Coast Guard, yes, the Navy, about all the waves in Peru in order to protect those waves. Dear America great again. Why not? The Atlantic, the Pacific, American waves protected and registered, so no brick can stop no lip. Yes, that's the trick, isn't it? So why not really make 2-kilometer long waves and make jobs for Americans? Why not? Isn't this the time to do that? Or is it the time to play golf, kicking a ball, or football, like 100 guys following one ball, or soccer, 22 playing in the field and 22 waiting to kick a ball? Now, come on, it's time to make oceans waves great again in America, because just one wave will grant perpetuity jobs, 300 according to my calculus, and then intrinsic value you can talk about, let's say, 50K each of those 300 jobs. Imagine the coast of America. Now protect those waves, register them, Coast Guard, get your act together like in Peru, and now really multiply that times how many chicamas can we do in America, and that's long-term jobs and healthy people. Thank you, bye.